But it's a great start so far for UST.
And on the side of UST naman, nakita natin ngayong araw, their lineup is composed of yung mga nakakabatang player.
Yep.
Yung mga galing high school.
Yes.
But now they're starting their set with mga faces na kilala natin in the collegiate level.
And speaking of, what an ace for Chick Chick Flores, right on time for the Letran.
This girl has luck on her hands here on this Sunday afternoon.
Speaking of hot hands, that's Saiza Gula.
And Cordora as well.
A great serve. Good save there by UST. It's a chance ball for Letran. Gia Makilang powering through.
Who do you go to when you want to secure?
UST on that last rally. It's May Coronado serving. Flores to the middle. No go. Gia Makilang. Cassie Carvalho was there. Reverse set by Cassie. And balingit now.
Taking a quiz na wala kang inaral, tas sasagutan mo lang, hindi mo alam kung ano yung sasagot mo.
So far, the Letran Lady Knights doing a good job scouting the Golden Tigresses here. The bright side for Letran, it's really an opportunity for them given their experience as a finalist in the NCAA.
Well, yung sabi ko nga kanina, this is a test of mental toughness for UST since it was a stinging loss.
Great jump there. Flores to the middle. And that's Isar, or Padilla rather, scoring from that middle.
That Pepito, as much as possible, they want to use that percentage na andyan siya sa loob ng court to do the defense.
Gia Makilang, no go. Cassie Carvalho. Oh, great save there. Gia Makilang give up a free ball. Cassie Carvalho to Marga Altea. And that running attack. After that long rally.
Yeah. And we gotta give credit here to Letran kasi hindi din madali-dali makapatay ng bola yung UST. Kasi grabe din yung depensa nila and the pattern is just, you know, and narinig natin kanina, somebody has to commit to the short balls.
Yes, and that was that Pepito actually leading the huddle on that last timeout. Another rally so far here in set number 1, Cordora. Cassie Carvalho chooses May, and a successful one.
Masyadong nagugulat when it comes to the blocks and the free balls.
Oh, great serve by Cassie Carvalho.
And you know what? Cassie Carvalho is known for her.
Yes. It's Cassie Carvalho. Great serve. Flores. Makilang. Flores to Makilang. A great angle there by Georgie Makilang, outsmarting the blockers.
Coming from Makilang. And you know, both of them are contributing well enough here in yung lamang ng UST.
Easy serve. Oh, great setup play there by Cassie Carvalho. Balingit was ready for that reverse set.
Puntos talaga. And I think she was aiming for a flat ball on that one.
Cordora. No go.
What a shutdown. Then letting their players a chance to play for the college team is no doubt a good system. Kasi hindi mo na masyadong kailangan ng i-register pa yung chemistry nila. Kasi matagal na silang magkasama.
Yep. Of course, you have a testament to that system, Jelena. No, you have May Coronado, Marga Altea, Saiza Gula, and even that Pepito here. Great rally so far. Altea. Flores to Gia. No goal, but great coverage there for Letran. Judiel at the back. That Pepito was there. Oh. And that's Avril Braun. And that off-speed,
Because as a second stringer or a sub, you could really actually see kung ano yung nangyayari na inside the court and what you could do better.
Saiza Gula combination play.
That hit just sending shocks on the side of Letran. Yeah.
And what a play that was by Wahe. to give that one up in the middle, courtesy of Saizagula. UST getting set number 1.
Kasi ganun sila katapang, ganun sila ka-confident maglaro alongside their seniors.
And of course, for the rookies, this is actually a chance for them to show off.
Ang palo ni Panangin.
Yep. Great serve there. And that's Fernandez from the open.
Ang kumpiyansa nito. Back to you, Rhea and Jelena.
Thank you so much, Danny. No, you can really see na mga games like this, you really have to get that complete. Yep.
But then Huino got the ball first. Or sorry, Penuliar for...
It's a great middle attack there, courtesy of Nina Maluto. Up by 2, or rather Letran up by 2, a better showing in set number 1. But great ace there. She really saw that open space behind the blockers. Wahe will go to Bron on that reverse.
Bron showing muscle. And right here, the percentage of attack, binibigay talaga kay
Yep.
Bron.
Yes.
And you have Lian Penuliar actually in front. And a good middle blocker.
Speaking of Penuliar, right on cue. Princess to Martin. But Avril Bron was there.
Piker, meron ka din talagang preferred na set kung saan ka
Yes.
pinaka-comfortable.
Yes. Great serve there by Nina Maluto. Ishka Fernandez. Good serve. Martin again. Wahe to the middle. Princess to Martin. Bron was there. Arasan. Martin off speed. Wahe. 1-2 play.
A little bit of a tip.
Now back for the Golden Tigresses. Great serve there. Princess Tumayo reverse to Judiel. And Judiel Nietura powering through.
Mga blockers ng UST medyo malayo sa net.
That was also a at the latter part of the set. You
Yeah.
really need to secure the points. Lingit. And right, that's exactly how you want to respond to a timeout. Oh, great serve. Better pass there for Letran. Coverage was there, Martin. Blocking was there for the Golden Tigresses. Reverse there for Letran. Oh!
That's inside. Lisa Culebra.
Inside.
For UST.
Martin. To Colendra. Colendra, no go. Cassie Carvalho was there. It's Arasan cross court. Colendra again. And just like that, Colendra rather secure set number 2 set for both teams, Jelena.
And I think this set would set the momentum kung ano mangyayari dito sa larong to kasi either of them could win this in 4 sets or they would extend it
Yes.
to a thriller 5 set
That's
again.
true.
On the end of UST, I don't think they want to be in that position again and I'm expecting for her to actually show up nung first set na mas sobra pa. But now, she's actually doing a good job
Yep.
here on our 3rd set.
Kyla Cordora, May Coronado as well. Gia Makilang from the back.
And you have to set a good example
Yep.
sa mga susunod sa'yo.
Cassie Carvalho. Princess Tumayo reverse. Judiel Nietura. No go, says May Coronado.
Comparing to her first year playing here in Shakey's as well in other tournaments,
Yes.
makikita mo yung improvement when it
Yes,
comes to the blocking.
Speaking of improvement, that's Judiel Nietura for you, Lady Knights.
Good reverse set coming from
Yep.
Tumayo.
If you're Princess Tumayo, it's high time to activate her hot hands while she's at the front row. Chance ball for UST. Cassie Carvalho to Marga Altea.
Costly.
Del Natura. Float serve. That Pepito was there. Kyla Cordora cross court.
Gotta love the sound of that impact.
Great pass. Cassie to Gula. And Gula with that second attempt. Different for Coach Alexi.
Tumaya was showing a little bit of a shaky performance.
Julia Balingit. Flores to the open. Martin. No go, says May Coronado.
Gotta love that shoulder shrug after that hit. Kasi kanina pa nila binabantayan si Martin and
Yep.
they've read it. They've read how she plays.
Yep.
And you know, yung sabi ko kanina na, you know, hindi natin masyadong mararamdaman na wala siya.
Yep.
Kasi you have Gula, you have Coronado, Cordora. So as a sub, you have Bron.
And Colendra scoring an ace here for Letran Lady Knights.
Either Altea or Coronado, they deliver good
Yep.
points for UST.
It's really a tall middle attackers for the Golden Tigresses. But for now, it's Judiel Nitura. Set number 3 so far. Cassie Carvalho chooses Cordora. And Cordora just powering through. Great serve there by Judiel Nitura. Cordora again, cross court. Flores to Gia. And Gia scores.
On that call, kanina na tinawagan siya ng overreaching. Nagbago yung mood
Yes,
niya.
she's very cautious
Yeah.
now. Gia Makilang and that Pepito was there. Saiza Gula, no go. Saiza Gula again, down the line. Judel Nitura was there. Judel back row and scores. Now, what a way for Flores to still set that one up to Judel Nitura despite the fact na nasa likod siya. So Coach Shaq de los Santos no longer has a timeout, but Saiza Gula responding. Marga Altea now. Great serve. Flores. To Colendra. And down by 1 point. Wahe reverses to Bron. No go. Flores. To Colendra. Kyla Cordora was there. Gula again. Gia Makilang with that first ball. Del Nitura will give up a free ball. Wahe to the middle. And no, says Padilla.
Ano na yung level
Yes.
ng skills nila ngayon compared to last tournament.
Cassie Carvalho, 1-2 play.
Timely.
Golden Tigresses. 3 points for Cassie. That Pepito. Flores to Colendra. Colendra scoring for Letran.
Colendra.
Great serve for Letran. Cassie Carvalho reverse. Balingit, cross court, no go. Judel Natura. Off the block. Serve. Great float serve. Judel Natura. Off speed. That Pepito was there. Cassie Carvalho reverses. Judel Natura. That Pepito with a bump set. Julia Balingit. Off the block was Julia Balingit.
Power and as well as yung tinatawag nga kanina ni Detta, the security.
Yep.
When it comes to pag pumapalo, kailangan may nagko-cover.
Chance ball for the Golden Tigresses. Balingit. Still alive. Another chance ball. Cassie Carvalho chooses Kyla Cordora. And she scores.
Good try coming from the Letran Lady Knights.
Right now, UST up at set point. Flores chooses Colendra. That Pepito was there. May Coronado, no go. Judiel Nitura. And UST secures set number 3. Lingit, it's 7 points.
You also have to commend the middles of Letran since the first set they've been doing a steady
Yep.
performance.
Yep, exactly.
It's either yuyuko ka or kukunin mo yung bola.
That's true. Si Carvalho, combination play! Julia Balingit!
Now that's the first time we've seen that combination play. Nakakaisip ka ng maayos and you're able to do what is right. Compared sa kung natataranta ka na and you're
Yes.
panicking inside the court, hindi ka masyadong makakaisip kung ano yung gagawin mo. Or it's either that, hindi mo maiisip, or may gagawin ka
Yep.
na, hindi mo pinag-isipan.
True. But that time, it's Gia Makilang intentional in that attack.
Could see this girl has been contributing to her team.
Dora now serving. Targeting Colendra. Colendra again. And she's denied.
Gonna love the reaction.
Serving for UST.
Marga Altea scores an ace.
Service point for UST.
Princess Tumayaw serving. Saiza Gula. Cassie Carvalho chooses Saiza.
Saiza Gula soaring.
Nisa Culendra serving.
Great serve. Cassie Carvalho reverses. Princess Tumayaw with that reverse. Judel scoring cross court.
Judel Netura. And makikita mo, grabe yung laban ng Letran. Kasi since kanina, it's just been a 1-point difference from UST.
That's true. But
That's inside.
speaking
Julia
of
Balingit.
1-point difference, serving. Great serve. Gia Makilang on that coverage. Judel cross court scores.
Gonna love that confidence.
Unfortunately, napasobrahan nga lang on an angle or on an attack. Again, this time Gia Makilang tries and she scores. Greece will not allow that. Oh, what an ace by Marga Altea.
On delivering.
Culendra, number 12, outgoing 7.
And that was a good...
For that.
They were too caught up in the situation na hindi pinayagan magpalit ng players.
Marga Altea sets. Saiza Gula uses the hands of the blockers.
Saiza Gula.
Altea serving. Oh, great serve. Tumayaw to the middle. And finally, Letran stops the bleeding.
Padilla showing at the right time here for Letran.
The middle.
Nisa Tumayaw serving.
Tumayaw with that serve. Wahe to Saiza. And Saiza, no go. Gia Makilang from the back. Wahe reverses. Tumayaw reverses to Netura. That Bebito was there. Saiza Gula off speed. Tumayaw to Martin. That Pepito with that easy over. Saiza Gula down the line and she scores.
Just in time. UST have Saiza Gula. And kanina pa niya actually ginagawa yan.
Yep.
But then,
Cassie Carvalho.
Judel Litura. Si Carvalho was there. Bump set. That Pepito. Tumayaw to Martin. It's a chance ball. That Pepito again to Julia. Denied. That Pepito to Saiza and she scores.
Gula.
statement win.